Chapter 14 Flying Animals. Birds are the animals that can fly in the sky. All birds have feathers, wings, and a beak. This bird helps in keeping the environment clean by eating dead animals. It is a crow. It is a small bird and it makes a sweet chirping sound. It is a sparrow. It is a swimming bird. It has webbed feet which help it to swim. It is a duck. It is the only animal or the bird that can mimic human speech. It is a parrot. It is a bird, but it cannot fly. It is a penguin. It is the national bird of India. It is a peacock. It is the largest bird and cannot fly. It is ostrich. This bird has excellent eyesight. It is an owl. This bird was used for sending messages in olden days. It is a pigeon.